Previewing an animation. With an animation of a large number of objects and lights and special effects, we have no idea how long it takes, and it may take longer to render the final animation. If we want to just check it out, we can preview it. Now the preview will be in low resolution and it will use diffuse color maps only, so it takes lesser time. To do this, we're going to go up to the Tools. We're going to come down to Preview Grab Viewport. And we're going to do a create preview animation. When we click on this, it'll come up with a make preview dialog box. I recommend you just take all the defaults here. And what you're going to do is say create. And I hit create, and it's going to generate, you can see it coming down here, it's generating a preview right now. And this will take probably a couple of minutes depending on the size and complexity of your scene, etc. But it's generating a preview. When it's done generating a preview, it'll automatically open it up in Windows Media Player. And so we'll get to see what it looks like there. So I'm just going to sit back for probably about 2 minutes, and I'll come back in 2 minutes and we'll take a look when it gets near the end. All right, we're back, and we can see down here that it's almost done. It's at 98%. It's generate the preview, and when it gets to 100%, it'll open it up in Windows Media Player, and it's actually giving me a preview. Remember, it's in low resolution, and it's only using diffuse color maps right now, but it's giving me an idea of what it will look like without having to wait for the whole animation to build. So, and then when I'm done with it, I can close the media player. At any time I want to come back and I want to take a look at the last preview, I can go up to my Tools. I can come down to Preview Grab Viewport and go to Play Preview Animation. It'll bring up the last preview that was built, and it will play it in Windows Animation, or Windows Media Player, excuse me. So it plays it in Windows Media Player and gives me an idea. Now remember, this is not the actual animation, just a short preview of what it might look like without being all the calculations. So I always recommend it, because if there's things you need to fix, go ahead and fix it before you run the renderings, because renderings can take quite a long time, and you want to make any changes or fixes before you actually run the animation on that. So before you generate that, rendering that animation, make those changes.